I got this Barista machine by Philips, and it makes really good coffee. It uses they're not pods, they're capsules. Thank you, dear. And I turned it on, and it has a small espresso, a medium espresso, or a large espresso. The water tank is back here. It also has, which I think is really nifty, this back here. Whoops. To take this off. It comes out real easy, but it catches the thing. I wondered where it went first time. And you'll have to excuse me, I have arthritis, so my hands cause things not to do what they're supposed to. You lift this, insert your little cup there, you close this down, and you push. I'm making the medium one. And now it makes, and boy, does it put a nice, see that cream on that? Makes beautiful cream. If it's too strong for you, you can always add some hot water and make an Americano out of it. You're gonna